This is where the spinal cord exits the skull.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
Trinell.
And we're here in Honolulu, and we're checking out Rainbow Drive-In.
Yeah, so they're known for their cheap Hawaiian platters, and my friend Caitlin told me about their slushies, so we're definitely going to try that out, let you guys know how it is, all right?
I'm going to grab me a LOCO MOCO. Let's go.
All right.
Alright, so we ordered a ton of stuff.
Yep.
I actually got the LOCO MOCO bowl.
I hate eggs.
And then this is a corned beef hash and egg plate.
I hate eggs.
He's gonna say he hates eggs all day.
I actually just got a Royal Deluxe cheeseburger. Added bacon, of course. Also, we got the chili with rice in a bowl.
Some tater tots.
Tater tots with chili.
This is their Simon. It's
This
noodles.
like ramen.
And then you
Oh,
got the,
actually. So, our friend Kaylin told me about this. They come out here every time they stop at Rainbow Drive-In. Should be good. Thank you, Kaylin, for the tip. If you see this, comment down below. Let us know what else you'd like to eat here.
So one of the things that you'll notice in their menu, they have daily specials. It's Thursday here, so they actually have the spaghetti and wiener, and also
Tim's
like
favorite.
the chopped steak. We missed out on the spaghetti and wiener. I actually wanted
Sorry, Tim.
spaghetti and hot dog. All right, so let's start with
What do you want to
the
do?
tater tots. Tater tots and chili.
It's pretty good. I like the chili.
The chili's good.
I like flavor.
Yeah, I think the tater tots are a little overcooked.
They actually have kidney beans in the chili, so it's really good. It's not just the meat.
I want to try this. There's Simon.
Okay. What do you think? You like ramen? You like ramen?
Yeah. The good thing about it is not salty.
It's kind of light. The broth is light.
Yeah.
You can kind of taste the spam's been cooking in the broth for a while. But
All right.
I like it.
All right.
I've
Not
had
bad.
better.
Let's try your burger.
These cook perfectly. The bacon's crispy.
This is a good burger.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
this
actually pretty cheap. I think it was like what, $4.45, $4.50. So
Yeah, this is a good.
Definitely
this,
good.
This burger's clean, man.
I should have got chili and cheese on it. I got cheese without the chili.
And since the chili is so good, let's go back to the chili. So, what is this? The chili.
So it's chili with rice.
Chili with rice.
It's good. I love it.
I like their chili.
It also comes with crackers. So I was gonna do the crackers, but I was in the mood for rice since we're in Hawaii.
And it's actually kind of a nice day for chili just because it's been raining.
Yeah.
It's not cold. I mean, it's a little
Not
cool
cold at
today.
all. But the chili's definitely on bang. I would recommend this.
Yeah, that's good.
And that's cheap too. I think it was like $2.75, almost $3. So
Now let's start
Oh,
with
my
this
God.
LOCO MOCO platter. Don't worry, I don't like egg neither. Why?
no?
I'm not really a big fan of egg, but we're still gonna eat it. Okay. But I do like the LOCO MOCOs.
Let me try.
I like their hamburger patty here. It's really good. Hey, if you guys know any good breakfast spots that have like really good egg platters, let us know. I'm gonna take Trinell there.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that is pretty bomb.
I can't taste it because the gravy's on there. So great job of masking it. But it's good for breakfast. If you want to get filled up really quick, see the portion size. It's not gonna put you to sleep for breakfast.
This is like $4.
Yeah.
I was saving this.
What is that?
This is their corned beef hash.
Oh, okay.
So basically, it's just corned beef hash. They made it like kind of like a pancake almost, and then they put it over rice with the same gravy that they put on the LOCO MOCO. And then you also get the mac salad on the side.
His reaction is priceless.
I love corned beef hash.
What is it? Sunny side up?
Yeah, sunny side up egg.
Tim, this is for you, buddy. I love you, man.
Corned beef hash, corned beef, Spam. Those are like my favorite canned foods. But what really makes a platter is normally their mac salad. I've been to a lot of places where they're maxed out, like, kind of whatever. Let's check out their max out here.
Yeah, didn't we have some earlier on Helena's, the video we did for Helena's? You guys check that one out. Probably a link on the bottom so you guys see about the max salad there.
That mac salad was good, but this mac salad is actually really good too.
Yeah, you can taste the mayo.
That's bomb.
Put a lot of it, but it's still pretty good. The macaroni's cooked perfectly. It's not overdone, kind of like al dente.
If you ever been here in Rayville Drive-In, let us know what's your favorite dish down below.
Yep. Comment.
As far as my favorite, let's start with my least favorite. Actually, my least favorite was probably the Simon.
Simon says it wasn't a great one.
Yeah, I just thought I was expecting a little more on it.
Yeah, it wasn't as much flavor, so it kind of got drowned out by the Spam, I think, in my opinion.
I just thought the noodles were plain.
Yeah,
Just like,
I think it's the broth too. The broth always makes it.
well, yeah, sometimes you get like some flavorful noodles. And then after that, my favorite after that was the
Corned beef
corned beef
hash
hash plate. Yeah, I've had this corned beef hash plate before, so
Yeah.
it's not
Because
the
I
first
had
time.
egg in it, so that's on the bottom of my list.
I like it. What was your?
My least favorite is probably the same thing Simon says. But I think my two favorites have to be the chili and the burger.
Which the burger is pretty good.
It is. I wouldn't say it's their staple, to be honest with you, but for me personally, I liked it, but the chili was on point, especially with the tater tots. So.
And one
Try
thing
the
that
chili.
Chanel did forget is his little sundae.
Oh, man. This guy? So again, my friend Kaylin told me about this. So if you like Sonics, for their slushies, this one definitely beats it.
It's a slushy with ice cream on top. It's kind of cool.
Yeah. I can't say anything else. It's fucking wild.
I like it. But thanks for joining us here today.
Yep.
Any cool places that you want us to go check out, put it on the comments below. Also, do me a favor, hit that subscribe so that way you can watch more videos just like this from us. Also, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos come out. Share this with your family and friends because they'll love it, and we're going to catch you on the next video.
Yes, sir. I love us.
This
Peace.
is where the spinal cord exits the skull.